All right, these are really fun problems. These are called diamond puzzles, and diamond puzzles are a way for us to prepare for algebra, which is the first level of math in high school. And algebra is basically working with both numbers and variables to accomplish a variety of different things, including graphing and representing different relationships of numbers. So this is going to basically be a foundation for being able to do some of that work. And the way that it works is if you're given a diamond, it's split into 4 equal parts with an x, and the side numbers multiply to the top, and they add to the bottom. So if you know the side numbers, you can find the top by multiplying. You can add them to find the bottom number. If you know only the top and one of the sides, then you can see what you would need to multiply the other side by to get to the top, and then you can add the results down below, like what we're going to do in part B. If you know the top and the bottom only, then it becomes a lot more challenging. It's more at the high school level. And so we will eventually get to that point where we're able to take on challenges like that. So let's take a look at part B. We know that the left number is 12. And so I'm going to put 12 here in the equation and also here. We do not know the right number. So this is a question mark for us right now. But we do know that 12 times that number that we don't know yet equals the top, which in this case is 60. 60 is on top. So if I go by 12s, 12, 24, 36, 48, 50, 10, oh, that's 60. All right, so 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right number has to be a 5. And so then I'm going to add 12 plus 5 to get the bottom number, which is 17. And this is the evidence for the answer that you'll find on the last slide, if this is the problem that you're doing. If it's not, this is the type of skills that we're going to be doing. And since this doesn't require any other calculations, just filling in the equations and the numbers in the diamond are enough for this problem. You don't need to take a picture of your work on a notebook. We'll do the same thing for this one. Insert the left number. And in this case, we do know the right number, then use that to find the top and use those same numbers to find the bottom with these equations. Later on, you're going to see that this x is replaced with a dot, which also means multiplication. And you also might see that this has a minus sign instead of a plus sign. So those are some options for what the diamond can look like in the future, that they'll switch it into a dot but it still means multiplication, or they might even switch this into a subtraction problem instead. So look out for those.